Alright, the more I use this 165, the more it's coming around. Do a little tinkering on it every time, and put I built the old man step there. Wow, that's handy. I don't know how they did it before. I don't know. Yeah, running a tether, but the hitch is, I need a straight one. That drop that don't work. So I looked around and thought, I'd order one. I thought, hey, wait a minute. I have the 560, and it has, this is a straight hitch. So, some bolts and pins, and I don't know why it wasn't too bad. And I got a straight drawbar, just like what you can buy online. So yeah, take that one out of there and put this one in here and put everything back together. Sweet. So, out with the drop hitch. Oh, there's 2 holes on there. I thought there was, using the front hole. Well, I'll have to do some measuring and see where we're at. And in with the, oh, look, it fits. Hot dog. I just need it to fit in the front. I'll have to take that PTO off. I got to get it pretty close. I don't really care for this, how close that is, but I'd rather have the height here so the pitch on the tether baskets is better. And it's not digging into the dirt as much. And I did notice this has a bigger hole. That'll be better. Alright. This one can go over there. This is what I got the dimensions off from. The tractor I've used for quite a while. This works good. And the hitch height and lengths and all them dimensions came from this one. So now I can swap tractors back and forth and won't have to change anything. Just hook up and go.